Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this AERLANG massage gun. So it comes in this really nice case. We've got lots of different attachments we can put on. It's got a cable, USB-C to USB-A that you're going to charge it with, a manual. So you're going to charge it right here with USB-C. Now it does have a switch. You got to physically turn the switch to the on position. This is going to light up back here. This is your battery display, and this is how fast you want it to go. So this, you don't have to press this really hard, just kind of tap it. And it's going to go all the way up to 20. You can go anywhere in 0 to 20. It's got a nice handle, nice to grip on, and then just go back down wherever you'd like. And if you're done, just turn it off. Putting the attachments on and off is really easy. You're simply just going to push them on like that till they're just nice and snug. Now it is going to shut down automatically after 10 minutes. Here's all the different attachments. Now that one's got kind of a softness to it. These are all pretty hard. Measurements, overall, it's about 8 3/4, 6 1/2 that way. With the attachments, about 9. You know, the handle's right about 1 3/4, and you have about a 5-inch grip. It's got some slickness to it, but yet some grippiness to it. So. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.